Okay, we're going to take a minute to look at a simple utility that's free that allows you to convert a WAV file or another type of sound file into an MP3 file. So we've got an example file here that is a WAV file that is 277 megabytes. It's a little over an hour long. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up VLC Media Player. If you don't know what VLC Media Player is, you should find it and download it. It usually is a download from SourceForge, but I would recommend going directly to the VLC Media Player, otherwise known as VideoLAN, and get the download link directly from there. I have used this for at least a decade, 10 years. So it is free and it's supported, released and updated. So what we do then is we're going to go to Media, Convert, Save. And it'll by default open on the File tab. We're going to go ahead and add that file, which is right here. There's the WAV file. We're going to hit Open on that. And then we're just going to go down here to Convert, Save, and we're going to choose the Convert option. By default, it's probably already selected, but you want to just select the Convert if it's not already. It's got your source file and path there. MP3 is one of the drop downs. There are some other very highly advanced kind of settings. You can control everything, and you can change your format if you want something else for whatever reason. But this is MP3 is what we want, audio MP3. The destination file here, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to browse. It's the same folder here. By default, it keeps the same exact name you're starting with, which means it'll just end up with a .wav.mp3, which we don't really necessarily want. So I'm going to get rid of that .wav off the end, but keep the same file name. And you'll see here that it says save as type mp3. So that's going to be the new one. And I'm going to start the conversion, and then we'll flip into the other folder and see how fast this goes. Okay, so this is an hour and 14 minutes, 277 megabytes. Let's see how it goes here. And you can see the bottom of the screen on the left, how fast that is. I'll move this out of the way so we can watch how it progresses. And then we can also refresh our screen here to see how big the new file is in the new format. So this is only going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to convert this over 1 hour long audio in the WAV file format. Almost there. All right, it's finished. So I'm going to refresh that one more time. So you can see the length of the audio is still the same. The name is basically the same, just a different file extension on there, the MP3 instead of the .wav. And we now have something that's 70 megabytes instead of 270 megabytes. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to go ahead and open it and launch it just to give it a quick listen. All right, sounds like it worked. I'm going to go back down right to the end here. Might be a couple minutes of silence at the end. This was a video file.
As a class.
There you go. It's converted that WAV file into an MP3 file in less than 10 minutes. We have done it start to finish, and you've got a much smaller file that is more compatible with streaming, podcasts, any downloading to your own devices. If you want to listen to something while you're at the gym or whatever, that makes it much more portable and easier to download and stream and to move from one device to the other. Hope you enjoyed that video.